Hello from the Cerebral Blue team. Today's video is going to be about the rest consumption functionality in NeuralSeek, specifically in mAIstro, and how this can contribute to automation of processes in companies in general. The objective of this practical case is to create a notification system with AI using the rest consumption with previously loaded user data. And so for this example, we have test data with a list of users and their emails right here. We can see the test users and their 4 emails here. So in this case, we're going to send a notification to all of these users as a mass email. So the first thing I did was configure my URL for sending the email provider. In addition to that, the data must be loaded in the upload file properly. So I have data.txt, which contain the 4 emails. And then we store this data as a variable called data so that we can call upon it later. We then send this data.txt file into the LLM, and we give it the prompt to write an email to alert the customer to a change of policy. This is just an example. And the LLM will then produce a response to this prompt, and then we will store that response as the variable email body. We will then take the data.txt file and store it as data, and then we will parse it into 4 different variables using this parse function, or this JSON variables function. And then we will loop through each of the items. So the item now contains 4 variables. We will loop through it, and then we'll set each email equal to the variable email as we're looping through it. Then we'll use the API call here, the REST API call, and then we will send it out. And then once we have looped it per each of the emails that we have, we will end the loop. So here is an example of this. I will hit evaluate, and then it'll create the policy, it'll create the email, and then after it's done creating the email, I can check my email right here, and you can see that I have an email from the Cerebral Blue team with exactly what we said, a policy change, and then right there. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.